Yo, what's up everyone? It's Emil here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of code. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're already a coding ninja, there are always those hidden gems, those secret techniques that can take your skills to the next level. We're talking about the top 10 programming secrets that they don't always teach you. These are the things that separate the good programmers from the truly great ones. We're going to break down each secret step by step so you can understand not just what to do, but why it matters. So grab your favorite energy drink, get ready to unlock some serious coding knowledge, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to write cleaner code, solve problems faster, and maybe, just maybe, impress your friends. Let's get started. Look, I know everyone wants to jump right into the fancy frameworks and the cutting-edge languages, but trust me, it all starts with the fundamentals. Think of it like building a house. You can't just slap on a cool roof and call it a day. You need a solid foundation. In programming, that foundation is your understanding of basic concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Master these, and you'll have the building blocks to tackle any coding challenge that comes your way. It's like learning your scales on the piano before you try to play Chopin. This might sound cliché, but it's the truth. The more you code, the better you become. It's like playing basketball or learning an instrument. You don't become a pro just by reading about it. You've got to put in the reps. And don't just stick to the easy stuff. Challenge yourself. Work on projects that push your limits, force you to think differently, and make you Google things you didn't even know existed. That's where the real growth happens. In the world of coding, knowing multiple languages is like having superpowers. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, its own way of thinking. Learning different languages exposes you to different paradigms, different ways of solving problems. Start with one, get comfortable, then branch out. You'll be surprised how much easier it is to pick up new languages once you've grasped the core concepts. It's like learning Spanish and then finding out Italian is a breeze. Chapter 4, Algorithms and Data Structures. Your secret weapons. Algorithms and data structures are like the engine of your code. They determine how efficiently your programs run, especially when you're dealing with massive amounts of data. Understanding these concepts will allow you to write code that's not just functional, but fast, optimized, and scalable. It's the difference between a car that putters down the road and one that zooms past like a rocket. Chapter 5, Version Control, your time machine. Imagine this, you're working on a complex project and you make a mistake that breaks everything. Now, you're stuck trying to undo hours of work. Nightmare, right? That's where version control comes in. Tools like Git are like a time machine for your code, allowing you to track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate with others seamlessly. Trust me, once you start using version control, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Chapter 6. Don't reinvent the wheel. Read other people's code. One of the best ways to learn and improve is by studying code written by experienced programmers. Think of it like learning from the masters. Open source projects are a goldmine of knowledge. Don't be afraid to dive into the code, understand how it works, and even borrow ideas. Just remember to give credit where credit is due. Chapter 7, Secret 7, Become a Debugging Ninja. Let's face it, every programmer encounters bugs. It's inevitable. But the difference between a good programmer and a great one is their ability to track down and squash those bugs quickly and efficiently. Learn to use debugging tools, read error messages carefully, and develop a systematic approach to finding and fixing issues. It's like being a detective, but for code. Secret 8. Stay hungry, stay foolish, keep learning. The world of technology is constantly evolving. New languages, frameworks, and tools are emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be a lifelong learner. Embrace new technologies, attend conferences, read blogs, and never stop experimenting. The moment you stop learning is the moment you start falling behind. Secret 9, Find your tribe. Join the community. Programming doesn't have to be a solitary pursuit. Joining a community of like-minded individuals can provide invaluable support, motivation, and learning opportunities. Attend meetups, participate in online forums, and share your knowledge with others. You'll be surprised how much you can learn from others and how rewarding it can be to help others on their coding journeys. Secret 10. Build something real. Projects are key. The best way to solidify your knowledge and gain practical experience is to work on real-world projects. It doesn't have to be anything groundbreaking. Start small, build a website, create a mobile app, or automate a tedious task. The key is to apply what you've learned, face real-world challenges, and create something tangible that you can be proud of. So there you have it, the 10 programming secrets that they don't always tell you. Remember, becoming a great programmer is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of practice. But with these secrets in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to coding mastery. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more coding goodness. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow coding enthusiasts. Now go out there, write some awesome code, and never stop learning.